sa socializing. So, yung bag na gagamitin ko, guys. Play a games.
Say hello, guys, and this day, my music workout today, and then I hope one of my visitors are there. So nagdamang-soy ng everybody. My visitors are everybody. So, naman nag-soy ng Veo ng vlog So, good morning, guys. And today,
We're going to the party today. Socializing.
And we're going to the party today. And then, so my friends are out there in the class. And then, naman soy ng favorite ng visitors na. So my visitors, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And so today, hello guys, and today we're going to the church, and then there's so many games to play.
Socializing.
And then, a happy birthday kita with this. This is my naman natin. Simula naman ng mommy and daddy for me. And then, I have so much favorite. So, we're gonna go to church, and then, we're gonna go to happy birthday. And then, happy birthday, Guru. And today, we're going to go. And then figure it out. It's your turn.
Okay, guys. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa socializing. So, church activities siya. And then, alas 3 yun. 2 p.m. na sa ready na kami. May color coding ang bawat family. So, eto yung kay Aiden. So, this is for me. And then, kay Daddy.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, so feeling ko hindi ko masyadong sobrang fit sa akin yung damit kasi tumaba ako, guys. So, yun, alas 3 yun. Kaya kailangan na namin mag-prepare. So, mag-games siguro si Aiden doon. Hindi natin sure. So, see you later, guys. Bye.
See you later.
Okay guys, magre-ready lang ako ng mga dadalhin naming mga gamit. So, extra damit ni Aiden, tapos, sweater niya kasi medyo malamig yung hangin mamayang hapon. So, ito yung bag na gagamitin ko guys. So, magre-ready muna tayo, okay? So, this is the last event na attendan namin ngayong December guys. So, after ng mga parties sa trabaho and sa school, so ito na yung pinaka-last dito sa church namin. And sorry guys, kasi medyo pausa ko na dahil nagkasakit ako. And as usual guys, kapag may bata kang kasama sa event, is kailangan talaga may mga dala kang gamit or mga ekstrang damit. And then may iwan si mama dito sa bahay kasi kasama niya sila dito na may mga babies din. So kaming 3 lang. Okay guys, so mag-aayos lang muna tayo and simple makeup lang yung gagawin natin, okay?
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really
doing?
Socializing.
Socializing.
Socializing natin.
And then we're going to the party
We're going to play a games.
with my visitors.
With our church mates and your friends. And daddy's and mommy's friends. Okay. Okay na.
Alright, let's go!
Outfit check. So guys, sumali kami sa games and kahit papano naman is nag-enjoy kami. Pero si Aiden napansin namin ayaw niya sa spotlight. So ayaw niya nang napapanood and parang mahiyain talaga siya. So guys, ang mechanics ng games is kailangan marami kang mapaputok na balloons. Kaso parang dalawa lang ata yung napop namin ni Daddy. Pero okay lang naman yun. So, lahat ng dinalang foods, guys, is sobrang sasarap. Kaya nag-enjoy din kami sa foods. Yung venue pala namin, guys, is sa farm ng isa naming ka-churchmate. And very comfortable yung bawat isa talaga. As in, ang ganda ng place. Very private. Happy din ako kasi nadadala namin yung anak namin sa ganitong mga event. Tapos, nagbigay din sila ng mga chocolate sa mga kids. So, yan yung nakuha ni Aiden. Si Daddy naman is nabunot siya ng 10 kilogram na sabon. So, ayun guys. Marami na rin yun. And then, dito ko na lang tatapusin yung vlog guys. So, see you on my next one. Bye!